Hi, and welcome to Technic Force Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to manage the membership page in ShopFunnels. Let's start. As you can see, this is my admin login page. I'll just click Log In. This is my ShopFunnels dashboard. Just click here, Store Content. Then click Store. Click the store you wish to manage. And then click Edit. If you scroll down, you will see the Membership Page tab. Select it. If your customer purchases a product, they will need to manage the purchase or even track the order. So for this purpose, you can use the membership page. Let me show you the membership page. If you're going to change the template, just click here, Change Template. Here you can see the order's membership template, shipping addresses, and user info. Currently, I am using this template, Membership Orders. Now let me show you how you can add the template. Just click here, Edit Existing Page. And now you can see here, this is your membership page template. This product widget will render all purchased products by the customer. This is the footer, while this is the header. You can change anything here. If the customer clicks on this link, they will be directed to a profile page. And if the customer clicks on this link, they will be directed to an address page. So as you can see here, I have not yet created an address page and user profile page. You can create an address page here. Just click New Page, type Address, then hit Add. Add another one, then type Profile. Again, hit Add. After that, select the address page, then click the Settings icon. For the page category, choose a membership from the drop-down. Then hit Save Settings. Then go back, click Choose Template. Then choose the Shipping Addresses template. Alright, so this is working fine. Click the Profile tab, then hit the Settings icon. For the page category, choose Membership from the drop-down. Then click Save Settings. Go back, then click Choose Template. Click Membership User Info. Now, click the Profile tab. Then hit the Settings icon. Copy the page URL. Then go back to your membership page. Then click Edit Existing Page. Click the Profile tab. On the Content section on the right side of the screen, paste the copied URL. Then save the page. Same goes with the address page. Select Address, then click Edit Existing Page. Also click Profile. Then on the Content section on the right side of the screen, paste the copied URL. Then save the page. Also, go to your profile page and repeat the process. Click Profile. Then on the Content section on the right side of the screen, paste the copied URL, then save the page. After that, click the Address tab. Then click Settings. Copy the address URL, then click Go Back. Click the Address tab again. Hit Edit Existing Page. Click Address. Then on the Content section on the right side of the screen, paste the copied URL, then save the page. Then go to your profile page. Click Edit Existing Page. Click on Address. Then on the Content section on the right side of the screen, paste the copied URL, then save the page. Same goes with the membership page. Select Membership, then click Edit Existing Page. Also click Address. Then on the Content section on the right side of the screen, paste the copied URL, then save the page. After updating the profile and address URLs, repeat the process with the membership URL. Select Membership, click the settings icon, copy the membership URL, go back, edit existing page. Then click Orders. Then on the content section on the right side of the screen, paste the copied URL. Then save the page. Click the Address tab again, hit Edit Existing Page. Click Orders. Then, on the content section on the right side of the screen, paste the copied URL, then save the page. Next, go to your profile page. Click Edit Existing Page. Click Orders. Then on the content section on the right side of the screen, paste the copied URL, then save the page. We have successfully created all membership-related templates. If I log in to my membership page, you can see here that I've purchased 3 products. I can manage this page. For example, I want to buy this product again. In this page that I'm showing you, I am a customer, not an admin. I can purchase the product again and even write a review. I can rate and write a review here. I can also see if the product status is active or not, and whether it was shipped or not. I can also update my address. I'll just click here, Address. How do I update my address? You can see here my current address. To update it, I'll just click the edit icon on the right side of the screen, then type in my new address. You can also make this a default address. Then click Save. Your customer can also add an additional or an alternative address if they want. If I click on the Profile tab, I can edit my name, email address, and contact number. After editing my information, click Update Detail. So I have successfully updated my details. I can also change my password. Just click the word Edit beside Change Password. Here, I can reset or change my password. Just input email address. Then click Send Reset Link. Always remember to make the Forgot Password page as the last page in the store pages. Now, I'll just input my login email address again, then hit Send Reset Link. If I check my email inbox, I should see the reset link. Now, let me check on my email. You can see here the reset link. I'll just copy the link, then paste it on another tab in my browser. Now, I can easily reset my password. I have successfully reset my password, and now let me log into my account. This is how the membership page works. Now let me show you how the membership variables and widgets work. Select Membership Page. Click Edit Existing Page. Scroll down to Membership Page Variables. You can use these membership page variables very well to create a membership template. For example, use this widget, Update Detail. This is what you can do. Just click the container, then click on the plus icon. You can use a container or you can directly add this Update Details widget. This widget will add a box where your customer can update their name and email. Let me remove this first. If I choose this other widget, Forgot Password, using this widget you can create your own Forgot Password blocks, like what we have already, our Forgot Password page. But if you want to create your own password page, you can just click here, New Forgot Password Page. Type Forgot. Then click the Settings icon. In the Page category, click Forgot Password from the drop-down, then Save Settings. Click the Return icon. Then click Create from Scratch. After that, scroll down to the Membership Page variables. Then choose the Forgot Password widget. You can see here that you can use the Forgot Password widget to create your Forgot Password page. This will work perfectly fine. Let's go to the Membership page again. You can use the Shipping Detail widget to show the shipping address. If you do not want the address on another page, just add the address widget here. Currently, when I click on the address icon, it directs me to another page. Just click on the plus icon. Just add the Shipping Detail widget. So here, the user can manage the shipping details on this page. Instead of another page, here, users can manage shipping details. Like here, click the plus icon, type div or division to add a division, then type Manage Address. Now they can manage their address on this page. Let me delete these and I'll show you another widget. Let me show you another widget, which is the product element. Click the plus icon. Under Membership Page Variables, click Product Elements. Now you can see the product element container. If you can see here, if I click on the product title, that is also a product element. You also want to show the product type. Here's what you can do. Drag the Product Elements widget here. On the Content tab, on the right side of the screen, under Element Type, click Division from the drop-down. In the element HTML value, choose Product Type from the drop-down. Then, save the page. After that, refresh this page. You will now see the product type, men's shirt. So this is how you can use any product element here, like purchase time only, purchase date only, purchase date time, activation status, step payment, gift card, pay your email, payments. For example, I want to add here pay your email. I'll just select here, product elements. Then here, click the plus icon, then select Product Elements. On the right side of the screen, under Element HTML Value, choose Pay Your Email from the drop-down, then save the page. Refresh the browser to see the Pay Your Email in the page. You can add here any product element that you want. Now here, this is the logout element. If you want to add a logout link like this, you can use this. And if you want to add a Forgot Password link, you can add it anywhere in the page. Then just save the page. This link will redirect you to the Forgot Password page. If I click here, you can see here this is the Forgot Password page. So, this is how you can use the membership page very well. You can edit anything from this page as many times as you want. You can also edit anything on the address page, profile page, membership page by just clicking the Edit Existing Page. That's it! I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching!